Sunday morning and we are doing a lazy easy spin and heading towards Durgam Chervu, and cafe for this week is Last House by the Lake. As the name sounds mysterious, they serve a different type of coffee as well. They proudly serve Robusta beans.
Like most of the cafes serve Arabica beans, this cafe masters the art of Robusta beans, which not everyone can handle it right.
And fun facts about coffee: there are mainly two strains of coffee, two species basically. That is, one is Arabica beans, long in structure like me, and then there are Robusta beans, which are round and stout like Mahati. And the Arabica ones taste a little smoother and a bit easier to balance the taste, and the Robusta ones are a bit harsh and contains more caffeine, just like Mahati. The bike parking scene over here, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ऑन द रोड, इसके पीछे जैसे दुर्गम चेरू का बोटिंग वाला प्लेस है, एंड ये रेसिडेंशियल एरिया थोड़ा पॉश तो है बट अंदर में बाइक रखने का जगह नहीं है. दैट इज द वन पॉइंट, एंड वी हैव टू कीप आवर बाइक्स लाइक दिस. एंड Mahati is super skeptical
क्योंकि इतना हवा चल रहा है, देयर इज टू मच विंड. मेरा साइकिल तो ऐसी लाइट वेट है, गिर भी जाएगा.
नहीं, इसलिए मैंने अपना हैवी वेट वाला रख दिया है. बट द थिंग इज, द गाय हु वाज स्टैंडिंग ओवर हियर, ही सेड दैट आई एम हियर, सो नो नीड टू वरी, नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड कैमरा वगैरह सब कुछ है.
Hi guys, welcome to Last House Coffee. I'm Kartikeya. I am also the POC for most of the events. I run community work out here at Last House. As you can see, we already have quite a big of an event running out. We have Logout Club here with us today on Sunday, and we're hosting them today, and we are Last House Coffee. Welcome to our coffee shop. As you can see, it's called a house because it looks like a house.
Yeah.
And since it's the last house in the lane, we call it Last House, and it's by the lake, so Last House Coffee by the lake. Just letting you know that we are not like any other coffee shop out here in Hyderabad. We are India's one and only 100% Robusta centric coffee shop. From crop to cup and the cultivation and everything, curation, everything is done within our estate in Sakleshpur, which is in southern Karnataka, and all our coffee comes from our estate, which is called the Sunrise Estate. So we don't only just hold coffee around the estate, we also have apiaries that we produce our own honey. We also have some botany going on. We're going to launch exclusive stays at our estate soon, so people can, so that guests, clients, everybody can come in and experience the entire coffee making process from the farmers, learning about what goes into the farmers. So all our funds that come in, they go into our research and development towards our farmers as well, so that we can make our coffee better and make people understand how Robusta is. At least like 95% of the world uses Arabica coffee, and Robusta being a much more caffeinated coffee, I can say, and it's very subtle, quite an acquired taste. Not a lot of people tend to like Robusta because of the sharpness and the high amount of caffeine that it produces, but at the same time it also holds a lot of robust flavors, and we want to bring back the Robusta back into the line of fame, but Robusta being a bean itself, it's such a beautiful and diverse bean, something really creative to work on since it's got such very bold, dense flavors. At the same time, these beans also hold a lot of nuttiness to it, which is something that's palatable to a lot of our customers and clients out here. As you can see, we've got multiple zones out here. So this is our zone 2, and this is where most of our working spaces we have allocated. It's a funny rule that we hold at Last House, which is only the lower section is the working zone. We do not allow laptops upstairs because we feel that if you've got a view, forget your work, man. Come on.
Yeah.
I think it's better that you would definitely rather pick up a book and just have a good time, enjoy the view, take in the scenery and the calm and the serenity that our cafe is providing. As you can see, we've got a lot of greenery out here. If you see this, we've got a mango tree growing right in between, and our founder has personally planted out all these trees and takes care of them every day. So the fauna that grows out here is by our own hands. So that's our coffee counter. If you can come in, so this is called the living room. Since this is the house again, we have a lot of areas eccentric only to like specific places in the house. So we call this the living room. And if you see, this is our barista counter out here. We have our baristas working out here. We got a coffee machine out here. We got a wide range of cute little cutesy cups, if you can see, which are very exclusive to us. Our head barista Akhil.
Hello.
He's our head barista since 2 years now, and the man's amazing at what he does. That's the reason why we still have him around out here. So we've got some information regarding how Last House works.
This is probably the best place to sit क्योंकि यहाँ से आपको लेक व्यू दिखेगा. This is all and that's the path inside the. ये कौन सा पार्क है?
दुर्गम चेरू लेक के आसपास जो रनिंग पार्क है.
नहीं, this is some park. ये नीचे का कुछ पार्क है. I don't remember. I'll put it down here.
Let's put it down here. If people know, just comment it down here कि ये दुर्गम चेरू के आसपास में कौन सा पार्क है.
हाँ. So,
because she is staying here for 3.5 years, she doesn't know
मेरे को
it.
याद नहीं है. I'll be honest, यहाँ पे मैं पहले जब आई थी इतना गंदा स्मेल आ रहा था from the lake, but I think वो लोग अभी
पूरा क्लीनिंग
हाँ क्लीनिंग किए हैं and it's far better. अभी तो स्मेल भी नहीं आ रहा, it's all fresh.
And this time Mahati का Vietnamese mix नहीं हुआ है. And
मैं भूल गई थी एक्चुअली बोलना and I was thinking कि जाके बोल के आओ, but
अच्छा है ना. Last time you requested there and they mixed it up, and you didn't request here and they give it to you this way.
So this is how it looks. This is how it should be.
हाँ. You get the condensed milk, you get the cold brew and the ice. The perfect way to drink.
Here is our food. This is cinnamon bun and that's a non-veg breakfast platter. खाना देखने में इतना delicious है and there is this dirty little vegetable जो कि इसको बहुत पसंद है.
मेरा फेवरेट है और महाती का बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेट है.
I don't even touch mushroom to be honest. And cinnamon bun, this looks very delicious. मैं तब से कॉफ़ी का वेट कर रही हूँ. इसका कॉफ़ी आया नहीं अभी तक and I am also not drinking.
उन्होंने बोला ही 30 minutes का वेट नहीं है. ऑलरेडी इतना भीड़ है. आप ओवर में टाइम है. What is there on the non-veg breakfast platter? There is toast, sardo है and topped up with egg of choice. यहाँ पे choice मिलता है like you want an omelette or scrambled egg or boiled egg like that. Then there are 2 sausages. Then my favorite mushrooms. Then salad. Ignore. Cherry tomatoes. Some ऊपर में glazed भी है कुछ तो. And baked beans. Another the dirty little dish.
Yeah, that's also dirty little dish. The most dirtiest vegetable in the world is this.
Personal opinion है. There is nothing to do with the cafe. It's just that she hates mushroom. That's all. मैंने तो उसको half काट. Half मेरा है, half तेरा है.
Yeah, wait.
50-50. कैसा है? Fluffy ना?
Very fluffy and थोड़ा सा tender है.
So that's how scrambled egg should be. How's the bread?
Bread बहुत अच्छा है.
Let me try the mushrooms now. Perfect. मशरूम को क्या है ना ओवर कुक करने से ना पानी छोड़ देता है. एंड फॉर अ चेंज इसमें पानी नहीं छोड़ा. That's how it should be. It's so nice.
The thing is, it's not like that's how it should be. It should not be existing. अभी ब्रेकफास्ट खत्म हो गया है एंड वी आर स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर आवर पोर ओवर. यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ है एंड पोर ओवर टेक्स टाइम. राइट एज आई वाज शूटिंग दैट माय पोर ओवर जस्ट अराइव्ड. तो पीछे से आके देखे गए थे एंड लेट मी टेस्ट इट आउट. एंड बिफोर टेस्टिंग कार्डिनल रूल ऑफ कॉफ़ी टेस्टिंग इज ड्रिंक वाटर. लेट मी वॉश आउट माई पैलेट. लेट मी टेस्ट इट आउट. ये एक्चुअल पूरा एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग विस्की जैसा टेस्ट है. इट स्मेल्स दैट वे एंड इट हैज़ अ फ्रूटी नोट्स एवर सो स्लाइटली बट विस्की के नोट्स बहुत ज़्यादा एंड वेरी शॉकिंग एटलीस्ट फॉर मी टू ड्रिंक रोबस्टा इन सच ए स्मूथ मैनर. मोस्टली अरेबिका इतना स्मूथ होता है बट रोबस्टा इतना स्मूथ. इट्स वेरी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. मेरा वियतनामीज बोर्नविटा बन गया. इसका वियतनामीज बोर्नविटा बन गया. ये फर्स्ट आया था आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स. ये आया तो सोचो भाई भीड़ इतना है देखना यार. दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. done with eating and drinking coffee. So let's get into the ratings. Number 1, the coffee. Almost 5 क्योंकि it was Robusta and it was surprisingly very smooth for Robusta.
Yeah.
Obviously specialty grade. They have their own, like the person said, they have their own estate. They get it from single origin. Everything is perfectly fine. Just that Robusta doesn't hit everyone very good well. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसके वियतनामीज में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So we almost get 5 but 4.5.
4.8 also good.
4.8 is food.
Food is 5 on 5.
Food is really 5 on 5. Fresh ingredients, freshly made egg. The scrambled egg was perfectly
Perfect.
smooth.
Sourdough and mushroom egg piece खाई थी, but he likes it anyways.
She
And
doesn't
baked
like it.
beans was really good. हम लोग वो toast के ऊपर baked beans डाल के खा रहे थे.
Surprisingly हम
It
लोग को
was
baked
very
beans
good.
पसंद नहीं है. We don't like baked beans because it gets so sour. But it was so good here. I guess because of the freshness.
Yeah, and cinnamon bun इतना creamy and fresh cream था उसके ऊपर. Bread भी उसका very soft, freshly made.
फ्रेश बनता है तो सॉफ्ट ही रहता है. अनलाइक सम कैफे, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा, आप गूगल कर लेना. वो लिटरली उनका समझ में आता है, फ्रिज से निकाल के गर्म करके दे रहे हैं.
अब गूगल कर लेना.
उनका सिनेमन बन बहुत फेमस है बाय द वे. एनीवेज तो या फूड इज 5 on 5.
Now let's get to pocket pinch. हम लोग 2 dishes order किए थे, 1 breakfast platter and 1 cinnamon bun with 2 coffee. So it costed us around 1500 to 1800. So I would say roughly 2000 for 2 people.
एंड अबाउट द साइकिलिंग फ्रेंडलीनेस, एग्जैक्टली कैफे के अंदर पार्किंग नहीं है, इट्स ऑन द रोड. वी वर लिटरली वेरी स्केप्टिकल इन द बिगनिंग कि यार रखे ना रखे, क्योंकि भाई इसका वाला महंगा है, मेरा वाला महंगा है बट इसका वाला बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा है. एंड वी वर हमेशा गए एंड वी वर लिटरली वेरी scared to keep गिरा तो who will see, but the person who was standing outside, I guess he was valet.
Valet, हाँ.
He assured us कि I am there, cameras are there, so no need to
Don't
worry
worry.
about it. So we enjoyed our time without any stress.
With that said, we'll end the video over here. Please comment down your suggestions of cafes around Hyderabad so we can go explore and rate the coffee. So that's all for the day. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and until next time we meet,
हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जहाँ भी रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो.
Goodbye,
Take
take care.